Yes, sir.
Y'all, it came down through here like mud, too. Y'all can trash cans down.
Trash can, every damn thing now. Boy, they got it going on. Gigolo, gigolo. YouTube, y'all check it out. We gonna take a stroll through the neighborhood. Got trees everywhere. Trees everywhere. Ha ha ha. But we're knocking shit loose, baby. Look at him. Look at his chicken nugget juice walking down the street. Piss about a chicken nugget. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go check on Aunt Ernie's house, see what she got going on. Yeah, let me go. Gigolo. See what's going on.
Wow.
I got this thing sold up around here. Everybody knows it out the door and stuff. Like me. Check them out, y'all. She ain't got that money. She ain't got that money. I ain't got too much going on right now. I ain't got too much going on. Ernie, you good? Yeah, she good. Y'all heard her? She said she good. We're gonna go that way. She got like juice coming out. Let's see what gate she got. Ain't playing with them. Call me quick. See, look at that. They got it going on, y'all. Hurricane Helene. She acting up.
Wow.
She was acting up out here. And that's on biscuits. Look at her. I'm gonna show y'all this house around here though. That thing came out
This
just
thing's
ram.
dead.
Huh.
This thing's still alive, but
Look at that big old tree. I'm glad ain't none of them fall. Huh. Yeah, I'm glad ain't none of them big old trees fell.
them big old trees stuck in the ground.
Ooh.
Helene came through it.
Holy. See that? That thing took my breath away. Holy shit.
Let's go ahead and hurry up.
Good. Googly goo. It real feel good out this thing a little bit though. Trees falling on people's cars and stuff. Thank God none of our stuff got touched.
Chicken.
Oh, piss of margarine. Look at the stop sign leaning sideways. Good gracious alive. Hurricane line came who's not a sideways, not a stop sign sideways. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo.
But who coming? Bro, who is
Let's see who these folks here walking down the street. We're gonna put them on YouTube channel. YouTube channel.
Hey, they got trees falling.
Well, they got that whole front yard full of rainforest.
That's before the rain.
Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all this shit down here though, boy. This shit go digital down here. This shit goes so damn digital. Let me show y'all. There ain't too much happening to that house right there.
Ain't nothing really happened. But that.
Let me show y'all that right there. Oh my God. She gonna knock mailboxes and trees down and damn near pick up houses and shit. Look at that, y'all.
Make your house shake. Make your house do the jiggle.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that shit, man. Look at these goddamn crackheads walking on the street. Pistol margins. Nothing but a pistol margin. Man, Yeah, man, I go home. Ain't nobody doing none of that, no more of that tonight. She gon' yes, sir. Huh?
I said, wow.
Yeah, yeah.
My kid said, hell no, mama ain't coming out of that shit. Why they still trying to fit me that? Hey, oh. Trying to get out the neighborhood.
Huh?
Trying to get out the
You
neighborhood.
trying to get out of the neighborhood?
Get something bad.
You gonna walk all the way down the street. Fuck how it turn out. All the way
That
down.
man get this flip and the flip and on the way back.
See that? That shit like to take your ass with it. To North Carolina. That shit like to took me to North Carolina, boy. Huh?
He said,
I said that wind like it took my ass to North Carolina, then. Where you at? Look at grandma in the door right there. You think can't nobody see her in the door? They knocked the goddamn cable cord out the ground. Look at that. They knocked the cable cord out the ground. Good googly woo. Hey, make it go to North Carolina. Charlie. Look at him. Like a pistol mod. Man, I got trees and sticks every damn way. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, there go another tree up. Let me go see that one. Come on. We're gonna go this way. There you go. Look at that tree over there, y'all.
What is that sound?
Step over that cord right there. Step over that chicken nugget. Yes, sir. Y'all, this hurricane Helene, man, she came through here and she showed us her name. Look at that. They uprooting shit, man. Y'all know this gonna be on YouTube. God was with them. Cause look, ain't nothing touched. Roots came out the ground, but ain't nothing touched. Huh? Uprooted that chicken nugget. Look at the stop sign. She got all the stop signs leaning sideways. Trash cans all sideways. You gonna go it that way. You gonna go it that way. What do you think of your friend? Everybody walking down the street. Something to see, baby.
There ain't nothing happening on this street for real.
Man, they got kids coming out of the houses and shit. Dogs trying to come out. What's up, Chris? Your partners over there, Doc?
They're my partners.
Yes, sir. Who dog this is? Oh, they got him on the leash or something. They better have him on something. Cause I'm gonna kick the chicken nuggets out of him.
And we got steel toe boots walking around here too.
I got something for him. He come up on me thinking he gonna bite something. He gonna be mistaken. Man, they gotta go. Look at these folks coming down the street. They like a gang of them coming up. We got steel toe for each one of them. Bing, bow, bing, boom, bang. We go bing, bow, bing, bing, bang. Oh,
It's cherry place.
okay.
Tina.
Okay. Stone came through the chicken nugget backwards. Look at a little bit over there. That's a little bit of something. Gonna put this in cars. Look at that dog. It's a husky. Good morning.
How y'all doing?
How about y'all? I'm good. Yeah. See, they got that wheel parked to the side. Take the car. That little tree in that little nutmeg over there. Look at that. Hurricane Helene came through this chicken nugget soup. Get on the inside, Chris.
What?
Get on the inside. Get on the inside of me.
Oh.
Record it out, baby.
People walking down. We got marshmallows. Walking marshmallows. Wow.
Ah, dang. Check that thing out. I ain't seen it. Not the damn mailbox down the street, man. Look at that. Ain't not the mailbox like a baseball bat.
Ready, hey.
Trees over there, all the yard. What they got that going on? Some money to be made, y'all. Money.
If you're a company watching this video, you might as well come on down here.
Like, comment, subscribe to Helene. R.I.P. Helene. See what this block look like. Man, they knocking the chicken nuggets out of them things, man. Look at that stop sign, y'all. So that be leaning sideways. See, not every stop sign in the neighborhood sideways. Can't get out the neighborhood. They got it going. Oh, I'm going through there. I'm gonna get all this content. Huh? Look at the gates over there. That gate like mine.
Yep.
Gone. Over with. Knocked down. Look, the roof. Over with. Look at that.
Wow.
Over with. Look at that. Over with. I got shit going on everywhere down here. Over with. Stop sign knocked down. Everything knocked down. Hey, yes sir. Man, YouTube. Man, I'm finna turn it up.